Okay, so what we're going to do right now is just show you a quick lesson on how to use the calculator to write numbers in scientific notation. So it's actually not that difficult. You just have to hit a couple buttons on the calculator. Okay, so here I have the example 25 million. So what I'd like you to do is go to your calculator and enter 25 million. So it's 25 with 6 zeros. Okay. Then over here on this calculator you'll see I have the picture of the calculator. Now the button I want you guys to hit is the button marked mode. Okay, so that's going to tell us which mode do we want it in. Do we want it in scientific notation mode, or do we want it in normal mode, which is standard mode? So come over here to the picture on the right. This is what the screen should be when you see this after you hit the mode button. So what I want you to do now is look at the second row where it says normal, scientific, and engineering. We want to scroll down using your cursor button, which is right here. Scroll down to the second row and move or highlight the SCI, or the scientific button. So you'll hit mode, use the cursor, scroll down, just hit enter. Okay, so when your scientific SCI is highlighted, what you're going to do is you're going to get back out, and to back out you just hit the green button with the mode. That exits out, which is the quit button. So you'd hit second mode. That takes you out of the screen, so you should have your 25 million still sitting on your screen. Just hit enter, and hopefully what you see is 2.5 times 10 to the 7th power. Okay, so let's try a different problem just on your own, just to make sure that you're doing this right. So let me give you guys a new number here. How about 437 million? Let's try that one. Okay, so go ahead, enter 437. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, your calculator is probably already in scientific notation mode, so just hit enter, and you can see that what you end up with is 4.37 times 10 to the 8th power. Okay? Now, one thing you have to remember, because your calculator is in scientific mode, it's going to stay in scientific mode, so it's always good to go back and hit the mode button. And if you're going to use your calculator for other things, go back and highlight the normal key there. Okay, so that helps you with going from scientific, or going from standard notation to scientific notation. Now, you can also take a scientific notation number and see what it looks like in standard notation. So what I'd like you to do is hit mode, and let's put it back into normal mode. Okay, so you want to highlight the normal mode, then exit out by hitting the green button and the quit button. That takes you back to your home screen. Okay, so hit clear it on out, and let's just enter a number in scientific notation and see what pops up. So how about 3.05 times 10 to the 6th power. So here's how you're going to enter this. You're going to enter this 3.05, hit the times button, 10 rooftop 6. So go ahead and enter that 3.05 times 10 rooftop 6, and then hit enter. And what you should get, if you have it in normal mode, not scientific mode, you should get the following: 305, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So that's just a quick lesson on how to use the calculator and scientific notation. Just make sure you're toggling back and forth in your mode key between your normal and scientific key. Okay? Hope this helps.